rest, and you can earn rewards. You can turning your power into rewards is easier than you think. Rewards are just minutes away within 3 easy steps. You're going to download the Acurast app from your Google Apple Store or Google Play Store for everyday use, and you have a dedicated device that you would need to set up your Cruise Hub, and then you're going to create your account. You're going to open up the app and tap Get Started to create your account. The setup process is quick and straightforward. You just make sure to back up your secret phrase securely, as it's your key as is your key to accessing your accounts and rewards. And then you're going to start collecting rewards. Open the app during your phone's idle time and start collecting rewards automatically. Your rewards are based on how well your phone performs. Every 30 minutes, if you quietly check to show if it's online or available, you're going to collect rewards. You're going to be an early adapter advantage. It's going to be easy setup. Your data stays safe, and it's going to build a faster and secure network and give your phone new life. Um, and these are just some of the frequently asked questions. Is this safe? What about my data? Absolutely safe. Acurast only uses phones, unused computing power. We never access your photos, your messages, contacts, or personal data. Think of it like letting someone use your phone's calculator app while you're not using it. What are these rewards exactly? You collect points for contributing your phone's power to the network. These points will convert into tradable tokens when the network fully launches. And then how much can I actually collect? Rewards depend on how much your phone contributions and how powerful your device is. And then it asks us some other questions here. It's probably there's no catch. Do you need to understand your crypto or tech? It would be nice, but it's not really required. So please make sure that you go through. Make sure this is a good side hustle for you. If you don't like this, there are hundreds, over 500, over 600 some videos on this channel where you will find what you like. But other than that, have a great day. Bye now. They have different focus groups and stuff like that. Testerz. So you got to select your country. If you are in the United States, if you are in a different city, please select that. Put in your first name, your email, your phone number, enter your password, and then your Amazon profile URL. So basically, what they want is they're tracking different products that maybe you can sell or purchase, and you'll have an affiliate link through the Amazon link that will be connected to your Testerz account. And then they have different commissions that you can make too. So I would say probably about $100 to $150 you can make over time with this, but it just also depends on how many products you sell and your bot, and if you're marketing your affiliate link the right way, it's through your Amazon that's connected to your Testerz. So if you're not into affiliate marketing in a way, this probably would not be a good way for you to make money. So I'm just drawing this to you, and just kind of learn a little bit more about, how this AMC profile really works. So you see, they was able to go into the Amazon profile, connect it, and then it'll get automatically connected to the Testerz. This is just another option for you to do this if you want to make money selling different, digital products or making affiliate links. It's all about that, and you can test different products as well too. And then they have focus groups. Let me know if this is something you like. But other than that, have a great day.